Are you in search of a simple and lucrative side gig? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll introduce you to Midjourney.ai, an incredible AI-powered platform that allows you to generate amazing designs for print-on-demand products. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn these designs into a successful side hustle by selling your products on Etsy. This is an easy AI side hustle that can help you make about $18,559 a month. Midjourney.ai is an AI-driven platform that utilizes the power of machine learning to generate stunning designs from simple prompts. Whether you're an experienced designer or a complete novice, this user-friendly tool empowers you to create unique and eye-catching designs effortlessly. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll provide a prompt or a description of the design you have in mind. It could be as simple as a floral pattern or a mountain landscape. Midjourney.ai will then generate a variety of design options based on your prompt. Whether you want a vibrant and energetic floral design or a more subtle and elegant arrangement, Midjourney.ai empowers you to create precisely what you envision. With just a few clicks, you can transform a generic prompt into a visually captivating design that stands out from the crowd. Now that you have your stunning design, it's time to bring it to life. With Midjourney.ai, you can seamlessly integrate your designs with popular print-on-demand platforms like Printify. Imagine having your unique designs printed on high-quality tumblers, shirts, and other products with just a few clicks. Printify allows you to easily create product listings featuring your designs. Simply select the type of product, choose the appropriate design, and set your pricing. They'll handle the printing, packaging, and shipping, leaving you with more time to focus on your creative journey. Let's use a tumbler as an example. To get started, simply select the tumbler as the product you want to offer. Printify offers a variety of high-quality tumbler options, ranging from stainless steel to insulated designs. Choose the tumbler that best complements your design and appeals to your target audience. Whether it's a vibrant and colorful pattern or an elegant and minimalist design, Printify has the perfect tumbler to bring your vision to life. Once you've chosen your tumbler, it's time to integrate your generated design from Midjourney. Printify provides a seamless interface where you can upload your design file and position it on the tumbler mockup. This step allows you to visualize how your design will look when applied to the tumbler's surface, ensuring that it's perfectly aligned and visually captivating. But where can you sell these amazing products? That's where Etsy comes in. Etsy is a vibrant online marketplace known for its handmade and unique products. By setting up your shop on Etsy and promoting your print-on-demand items, you can tap into a global customer base and start earning money doing what you love. Etsy provides a user-friendly platform for you to showcase your designs, connect with potential customers, and process orders seamlessly. With millions of active buyers browsing Etsy every day, your products have the potential to reach a wide audience of eager shoppers. Within your Etsy shop, create product listings for your tumbler designs. Include engaging descriptions that highlight the unique features and qualities of your products. Upload the captivating images you prepared earlier to attract potential customers. Imagine this. You create a design for a tumbler in Printify using Midjourney.ai, and the production cost on Printify is about $10, and set a selling price of $25. With Etsy's 5% transaction fee and $5 shipping cost, your total expenses per sale amount to $16.25. Now envision selling 100 tumblers in a month. Crunching the numbers, your revenue would be $2,500. After subtracting expenses, you could potentially earn $875 in profit. These figures offer a glimpse into the rewarding earning possibilities of your Etsy tumbler designs, so it is not impossible to reach $18,559 a month. Optimize your Etsy listings for searchability. Research relevant keywords that potential buyers might use when looking for similar products. Incorporate these keywords strategically into your titles, tags, and descriptions to increase the visibility of your listings in Etsy's search results. Take advantage of Etsy's marketing tools and resources to promote your print-on-demand items. Participate in Etsy's advertising options. Leverage social media platforms to drive traffic to your shop, and engage with potential customers through conversations and personalized recommendations. By following these steps, you can successfully sell your print-on-demand products from Printify to Etsy, tapping into Etsy's vibrant marketplace and reaching a global customer base that appreciates handmade and unique creations. So, are you ready to turn your passion for design into a profitable side hustle? With Midjourney.ai, Printify, and Etsy, you have all the tools and resources at your fingertips to succeed. Start your creative journey today and unlock your full potential. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Until next time, happy designing and happy selling.